Hey everyone, welcome back to RC Camping and Crawling. It snowed last night up in the mountains, so that's where we're heading. Going to be driving the Traxxas TRX4M Landrover Defender with the track kit. Not going to get into any build specs or anything like that today. Today's just about driving and trying it in the snow. So sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and I'll link in the description to all the parts and all the related videos. Thanks again for watching. Talk to you in the next one.